Which expression is equivalent to 2x plus 3y minus 5x squared minus 10y plus 7x squared? Number 2, which expression is equivalent to the quantity x plus 8 times the quantity x minus 7? Number 3, what is the solution of the inequality 3y minus 28 is greater than negative 9? What is the solution of the inequality 3y minus 28 is greater than negative 9? Number 4, what is the solution set for the equation x minus 2 equals negative 4? Number 5, which expression represents the perimeter of this triangle? Which expression represents the perimeter of this triangle? Number 6, what is the value of the expression 2y times the quantity 3x squared minus 5x plus 12 when x equals 4 and y equals 5? Number 7, which expression is the opposite of 2 times the quantity 3x minus 8? Number 8, Cain made this model of an office building. The expression 3x squared plus x plus 1 represents the total height of the building. The expression 2x minus 2 represents the distance between the top of the building and the floor of the cafeteria. How high is the floor of the cafeteria from the ground? Number 9, which expression is equivalent to the quantity a plus b times the quantity x minus y minus the quantity a minus b times the quantity x plus y? Number 10, the formula S equals C plus PC models the relationship between the selling price, S, the original cost, C, and the profit percentage, P. Anna bought a bicycle for $250 and sold it for $300. What is her profit percentage? A, 60%, B, 50%, C, 20%, or D, 17%? Number 11, what value of x makes this equation true? What value of x makes this equation true? 5 times the quantity x plus 4 equals 3x plus 28. Number 12, factor out the greatest common factor of the terms of the polynomial 125x cubed y squared minus 8x cubed y. Number 13, what is the value of this expression when x equals 4 and y equals negative 3? What is the value of this expression when x equals 4 and y equals negative 3? Number 14, what is the product of x plus 2y plus z and 2z squared plus 1? What is the product of x plus 2y plus z and 2z squared plus 1? Number 15, what is the complete factorization of negative 18x to the 8th plus 27x to the 16th? Number 16, which expression is equivalent to 6y times the quantity 4x squared minus 9x minus 9? Number 17, completely simplify 7x cubed times the quantity 6x cubed minus 10x plus 5. Number 18, Alfonso bends a wire that is 36 centimeters long to form a rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 2 times its width. What is the width in centimeters of the rectangle? Number 19, what is the product of x and yz plus xy? What is the product of x and yz plus xy? Number 20, Martha decides to babysit for $6 per hour to earn money for a concert ticket that costs $25. Which inequality shows the number of hours h she needs to babysit to earn at least enough money to buy the concert ticket? #21. The local bakery sold cakes and cookies at an event and received a total of $1,000. If the bakery sold M cakes at $14 each, which expression shows the amount of money received from cookie sales? 22. What is the value of y for the solution to this system of equations? What is the value of y for the solution to this system of equations? 23. What is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passes through the point -311 and has a slope of -4? 24. When a student subtracts 18 from a number, the result is 1/4 of the number. What is the number? 25. What is the solution to this system of equations? What is the solution to this system of equations? 26. What is the equation in standard form of the line that passes through -5, 6, and has a slope of 2? What is the equation in standard form of the line that passes through -5, 6, and has a slope of 2? 27. Jenny invested $300 in an account where her money doubles every 7 years. How much money will be in her account at the end of 35 years? 28. Which graph shows the point of intersection P of line A graphed below, and line B, whose equation is 2y minus 3x equals 15? 29. Which number line shows the solution of this inequality? Which number line shows the solution of this inequality? 30. Which graph shows x minus 5 is less than y is less than or equal to x plus 5? 31. Jamal goes to a restaurant with $10. He orders soup for $3.99 and keeps $1.50 aside for a tip. Which inequality shows the amount x he can spend on the rest of his meal and still have some money left? 32. Juan is 20 miles from home. This graph shows the distance he traveled. If y is the distance in miles and x is the time in minutes, what is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that represents Juan's travel? 33. What is the domain of function of x equals 3x plus 7? 34. Ruth plotted 4 points on this graph. Which point has a y-coordinate of -3? Which point has a y-coordinate of -3? 35. The equation 2v equals x plus 40t models the relation among the variables v, x, and t. What is the value of v when x equals 20 and t equals 2? 36. Which function has a range of y is y is greater than or equal to 1? Which function has a range of y is greater than or equal to 1? 37. Which graph represents a function? 38. Which number line shows the solution set of this compound inequality? Which number line shows the solution set of this compound inequality? 39. The sum of 9 times one number, x, and 12 times another number, y, is at least 90. Which graph models this statement? 40. Which point has an x-coordinate of -6? Which point has an x-coordinate of -6?